Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI, and I'm here to tell you guys how much we've benefited from these Kayak cockpit covers from Chuanke. I didn't even know that we needed these in our lives until this summer because it has literally been raining here every single day, and all we were doing is wasting our time trying to drain water out of these kayaks. So these have helped us out tremendously. So several tips that I have for you guys. One thing is make sure you get the right size. Make sure you measure your cockpit accurately and get the appropriate size, because if you don't get the right size, it's not going to work. Second thing is use the clasp to tighten the cover nice and snug. And then on top of that, use the buckle strap for extra support. So this strap will help keep your cover in place even if it's really, really windy or during a heavy rainfall. So once we figured out how to use these properly, we are getting the most use out of them. It's not only kept the water out of our kayaks, but it's also helped with any kind of bugs like spiders or any nasty critters that might get inside your kayak. So if you've also been struggling just like we were trying to keep the rain out of your kayaks, definitely check these covers out, and that's my point of view.